YouTube, Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the new app which was basically promoted by NCB, the Link application. This is now our own mobile wallet. It is somewhat resembles Cash App in a sense. However, this is just for Jamaican accounts, to my understanding of the application so far. So if you should go to Google and you'd search Link App NCB, you'd see that NCB pushes mobile wallet, digital wallet launches up to the public platform. So this is quite easy to get. All you need to do is to go to the Google Play Store. Go to the Google Play Store, search NCB Link, and you'll see NCB or the Link Digital Payments. Now, what is cool about this is that whenever you sign up for this application, you'll receive $500 as a bonus. And whenever you get a friend to sign up, you'll receive 250, they will receive 250. So it is indeed a win-win situation. So if you have lots of friends with NCB bank accounts, I would highly recommend you to check out this application. It is not difficult to sign up for. All you need is a phone number, an active phone number. You would need some kind of verification, driver's license, TRN passport, or something of that sort. And it is pretty easy to do. I recently signed up for this application and I received my $500 welcome bonus. So I'm going to put my information. So whenever you sign up for this application, you automatically receive, well, not automatically, because you would have to input your own invite code to receive. And I'll also link my invite code in the links below so that you could get an extra 250 whenever you sign up. So my link or my invite code will be in the description of this video, and I'll also pin it to the comment. So this is an easy application to use. It is free, it is fast, and from what I've seen, it is pretty smooth. So this is our own version of the Cash App application, and this works with the NCB bank account. I'm not sure if it will be integrated with Scotia, JN, and the other banks. However, from my understanding, this currently works with NCB bank account, because basically NCB are the ones pushing it. So hopefully it does support other bank accounts and you'll be able to use this. You could also add your credit card to this, or your debit card, whichever one you choose, and you'll be able to make payment, transfer money straight from the card to other individuals using this application. So this is a step in the right direction towards becoming part of the digital scene, because as you know, we're currently entering the digital age. We're not there quite as yet, but we're in the process of entering such an age where all things will basically be taken care of online, transactions and payments and everything. So feel free to check out this application, Link Digital Payments. I could do a full review of the sign up process and everything if you'd want me to do that. So this is just a brief overview of what this application has in store for you and the benefits of using the Link Digital Payments. So it transfers fast. You don't need any major verification. So feel free to check out this application. The invite code to my sign up will be in the description. So whenever you're signing up, you'll receive an additional 250 whenever you sign up. So this is basically free money for the Christmas holiday, right? Win-win for everyone. So I hope you try out this application, give it a try, let me know what you think. I believe this is our step in the right direction by NCB, so kudos to them. Once more, Hacker7 out.